Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we're diving into the world of LEGO Marvel Superheroes 2 to explore the latest cheat codes that can help you unlock characters, gadgets, and all sorts of fun additions to your gameplay experience. Whether you're a seasoned player or just starting out, these cheat codes will give you a boost. Let's get started with a step-by-step guide on how to enter these codes successfully. Step 1. Access the pause menu. Begin by starting the game and entering your current save file. Once you're in the game, press the Start button on your controller to access the pause menu. Step 2. Navigate to the Extras menu. In the pause menu, locate and select the Be Extras option. This is where you can find the game's cheat code section. Step 3. Enter cheat codes within the Extras menu. Look for the Enter code option. Click on that option to bring up the keyboard interface where you can input your cheat codes. Step 4. Input the codes. Now it's time to enter the cheat codes. Here are some updated codes for 2025 that you can use. 9XJ3C unlocks Spider-Gwen. Blue 3Z unlocks Blue Marvel. F4NT Force unlocks the Fantastic Four. Lights unlocks access to the X-Men headquarters. Make sure to enter these codes exactly as shown, including capital letters and numbers. Step 5. Confirm the codes. After typing in the desired cheat code, confirm by selecting Enter. If successful, you should see a confirmation message indicating that you've unlocked new content. Step 6. Enjoy your unlocks. Return to the main game, and you'll find that the new characters or unlocks are now available for you to use in your adventure. Now you're all set to explore LEGO Marvel Superheroes 2 with these exciting new unlocks at your disposal. Don't forget, using these codes can enhance your gameplay and make every session more enjoyable. Be sure to like this video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to our channel for more tips, tricks, and cheats on LEGO Marvel Superheroes 2 and other gaming content. Thank you for watching, and happy gaming!